Paul Hart's Garage. Hey guys, I wanted to show y'all this. I did a video earlier today where I'd gotten this SRT 392 spoiler. It comes off the Scat Pack or SRT cars. It's got this duckbill right here, this indentation, and it's ABS flat black. And something I've been wanting for a while. I would like to have the wide body red eye Hellcat spoiler, but them things are like 500 bucks. But I got that on there today. But I will tell you that if you think you're going to buy it out of the box, I got it from American Muscle, and it even says the factory holes won't fit. Excuse me. It's not going to. I actually had to get a drill and drill these two end holes out, and so I can get a washer and a bolt. The bolt would work, and it's on there good. It comes with adhesive tape, and it's just a little bit of modifying I had to do. It's just aggravating that it wouldn't fit right out of the box, but I think it does say that it said it would fit, but it said the bolt hole, factory bolt holes may not line up, which in my opinion that's not a fit, but it is what it is. It wasn't that aggravating because I had the tools to fix it. But your other spoiler has clips that go in. There's about 3 of them that go in here and help hold it down with adhesive tape. But what comes with it is enough adhesive tape to put on it, and it's not going anywhere. Once you line it up and get your bolt holes, these 2 end holes drilled out enough, I did 3/8 on both sides, and got them out enough to where the bolt holes would line up into the, and it would tighten up into the spoiler, and it's on there. It's not coming down. And but I like the look of it. They also make a duck bill that you can buy, an extra piece you can buy to go up here and make this taller, and you know, some people like that. I kind of do like it. It may be my next mod later on, but the car is dirty, and I was scraping off, make sure to get off all the adhesive that was up under here, and it's like collected on top of my tail lights and stuff. And another thing I did, if y'all would like and subscribe to Paul Hart's Garage. But I got some of those in. I got some that I'm giving out to some people that say they would, you know, sport them on their vehicle. And I got the windows tinted a couple of days ago, 15% Lamar ceramic, and you know, it really sets the car off in my opinion. And but something else I got Super 10 series flowmasters. Those were kind of aggravating to put on because where I put them was like turned down at the mid part of the car where the insulation is for the exhaust, where the old mufflers went. And I'm getting a lot of drone. I'm just going to tell you, you're going to get a lot of drone, but I just done it for now because the muffler shop in my area is not open right now, and I'm going to have them run from where I've got the mufflers at now and through the back here with some quad tips. But the tips that I want are like $200. They're black. Forget the company that makes them, but they're really nice. And I just, you know, that's just a lot of money to spend right now, just tips. And they're wanting like $200 or $300 just to, you know, finish putting the exhaust on. But let's do my remote start ain't working, and so that's aggravating. But let me just show you what it sounds like. It may not be your cup of tea. And it's a lot more tone. It's like I said, they're Super 10 series flowmasters, and I'm already going to tell you, you're going to get tons of drone. It's pretty loud. I'm not going to be able to put up with it that loud long. I'm going to have some pipes run out. I'll probably just have pipes run out the back, but it'll cut some of the drone down. But they're not really that loud. But when you're in 3rd gear and you're, you know, pushing it, it gets real loud. It sounds like a race car. I've had several people tell me, want to know what's under the hood and all that. I'm like, man, it's just a factory 345 with exhaust cut off on with some Super 10 series flowmasters and a cold air kit and a tune. That's all it's got. And but she's coming together. She looks pretty good. I'm going to dark out the side markers probably tomorrow. Got to tape them up, dark them out. And I got a banner coming for the front. He didn't put the tin on the front because I told him I was going to put a banner on it. But I got a banner coming, and that'll be the only thing that I'll probably do before I start going back to work. I guess they're talking about letting everybody in Alabama go back to work up around May. So I'm hoping that happens where I can go back and start making some more money. But because, you know, if you're waiting on a stimulus check or you're waiting on an unemployment kind of check, you're going to be waiting forever. And then by that time, they're probably just going to cut it out and you're not going to get it anyway. But I don't know. I just try not to depend on the government for anything. And the other thing I did, which y'all saw, and I did a video on it, was the fuel cap install, which was fairly easy. And then there we go, Paul Blot's Garage. Like and subscribe. But anyway, this will do it for Paul Blot's Garage. A small video. What do I got going on now? I got a few other little goodies I'm going to do, small things, and I'll keep you updated. But anyway, have a good day. Peace out. Bye.